This article is the recipe, and I include a recipe in every newsletter, and this one is roasted cherry tomatoes. This is like one of my newer ones in my family. We just discovered this a little while ago, and it's already become like one of our favorites, okay? So all you do is you take about 500 grams of cherry tomatoes, and you just put that in a baking dish of some sort, and then you drizzle on olive oil, probably somewhere in the neighborhood of 3 tablespoons, but if you like more olive oil, use more olive oil, and I love more olive oil, so slather as much as you want on there. Tomatoes, olive oil, salt, that's it. You put it in an oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit on convection, or if you have a static oven, that's gonna be 450. And then you wait for probably about 45 minutes, okay? Until the tomatoes have popped, the liquid is evaporated off a little bit, and you get that kind of blackening, roasty thing on top of them, okay? Then you take it out of the oven, and you let it sit for a little bit, and you put some basil on there, and then you spoon it up, and you put it on some bread. If you really, really want to go over the top with it, you put some balsamic vinegar on top, some good balsamic vinegar, and it's fantastic, man. I mean, you could put it over pasta, but I just like to slice up some crusty bread and eat it like that. Like I said, one of our family favorites.